Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can add or attach a tag in your buyer supplier while adding it or after adding it. So first of all, you need to go in buyer supplier module. On your left hand side, you will see buyer supplier module option. Please click on this. Now here, this is your entire list of buyer supplier. So you can add a tag while adding a buyer supplier also and after adding a buyer supplier also. So on your right hand side in very top, you will see option of add buyer and suppliers. Click on this. You need to click on add single company. Here is the option of select tags. So while adding a buyer supplier, you can just fill the detail and then after you can select tags and can create company. Once you have already added any buyer supplier, how you can add a tag? So you need to click on this edit icon in front of buyer supplier name and the buyer supplier profile will get open. Just go below and here is the option of tags. So you need to click on add. Now, once I will go ahead and click on add, you need to create one tag. If any tag is available, it will come in the drop down. So I will just put a tag of payment overdue for this buyer and supplier and click on save. Now, just go back here. You need to click on add. Yeah, here after adding the tag, you need to click on edit and in the drop down, you will see the added tag. Just select it and click on save and accordingly, it will get reflected. Now, if I go back to buyer and supplier module, I can see payment overdue tag here so that if any accounts person is going through my buyer and supplier or if I am going through the buyer and supplier report or module, I can see that for this particular buyer and supplier, the payment is overdue. So accordingly, next action need to be taken. Or for the identification purpose also, you can use this tag feature. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while adding a tag on buyer and supplier. Have a good day ahead.